I wonder if it's somebody I know. Oh, shit! Woo! Yo! So if you had said, commented on it was so simple to enter, if you commented on a video and you told me that you had wanted in and you left a comment, or if you left a comment regarding that you wanted it in, I already went ahead and added everybody in there, whatever, cool. So I got 66 people. It was 67, but I think it was a double name on it that I caught, and I made sure I ain't doubling no names and nothing like that. That's why I wrote everything down or whatever. So I went over there thoroughly, and that's how I came up with the number. It was 67 original. That's not confusion because I already said I added double. So it was 66 people total who entered, and I feel like that's an okay amount. I mean, I feel like for a bi-directional scan tool, good value, it should have been more than that, but we ain't gonna. That's what made me alter the next giveaway a little bit. That's why I changed the way I changed it. Just I'm focusing on more. I guess I'm trying to focus on like more so like productivity, you know, connectivity, connecting with people, like interacting and all of that stuff. So it's just, that's what I'm really trying to get at. I'm just trying to like be home for people. If you want to come check out some auto repair videos, you got some questions or whatever, come on over. Either way, you're gonna find me regardless. I'm gonna pop up somehow in your search bar, so it doesn't even matter. Cool. So let's win. So this is how I'm gonna do it. If I call your name, say your name, and like I said, you better have followed the rules. If you ain't followed none of the rules that I had left in the description section of the video, like simple stuff, like name and address and like physical address, I've got to be able to send it to you. If I can't send it to you, then listen, you don't meet the qualifications for my rules when I call your name, and you got 24 hours to hit me up by email, Instagram or email, I don't care. You better hit me up in 24 hours, within 24 hours. If I don't hear from nobody within 24 hours, then I'm going to the next person, and I'm not throwing any of these away. So I will pull one and only one, and you know, close the lid on this. And like I said, all things, it don't fall through with the person I called, we're gonna go to the next person. Leave it like that. Meaning, you have another chance to win. So, shake it up. Let's so y'all can see what's going on. I know it's a little bright or whatever, but should I close my eyes or take a puff? I think I should take a puff and draw it at the same time. Because if I close my eyes, then y'all might look like, oh, he cheating. He see something in the bowl with the name. And nah. I ain't personally paying no giveaway to nobody. I'm not doing that. If I really like it, I'll just straight up give you something. That's just me. I'm cool like that. Which I did give away somebody, give something away to somebody, and you know who they is. I'm cool like that. It's just me. So let's draw it. Ooh, hold on. We got a call. Hold on. All right. So that way y'all see, I will look away. I have one. Let's close the lid. I would have lose in case something happened and all the other little paper balls fall out and I lose people's names. Whew. You nervous? I ain't nervous. Y'all probably nervous. So let's hold on. I wonder if it's somebody I know. Oh, shit! Woo! Yo, I'm hyped for this person, because this person always be repping my channel. Hit me up in the inbox on my Instagram. Been thorough, been following my channel for a few years now. Like my boy's thorough like that. Shout out to my man. I think where you from? Tennessee. I think you from, bro. Correct me if I'm wrong, bro. I got you, bro. Working Hands Automotive 1. Yo, bro, I'm proud of you, bro. You just won a hold on. I don't know if y'all can see this. If y'all can't see the focus, but that's with his name, Working Hands Automotive. I don't need to lie to none of y'all. If y'all want me to take a picture and confirm it, I don't know if we could get this to focus. Hold on. Is we nah, the brightness is, here we go. We got it right there. Let me zoom in a little bit more. Hold on, we got it. Ooh, you see it right there. Ooh, hold on, let's refocus in the background. Hold on, Working Hands Automotive, bro. You won! I sent him the photo, so I know he gonna be hyped. I don't know if he gonna see it when he was active a few hours ago on the gram. Whatever. Y'all wanna get a hold of me on the gram, Leekautorepair on the gram, whatever. I use the name for it, Leekautorepair. It ain't hard to find me. Just Google my goddamn name, I'll pop up. So, Working Hands, Automotive 1. Did he message me? No, that's not him. That's my little brother. I'm proud of you, bro. So, let's talk about the next giveaway. I'm glad. Let's do a recap again. I'm glad. I know I need to drop it, but I'm so glad my man won. No, it ain't playing. Y'all saw me draw it out. Y'all saw me draw it out. I have no reason to I like everybody. He's not the only person that I'm cool with on YouTube. I'm cool with other people. If somebody else that I know that's like a fan of my channel, who watches my stuff, who really bangs with me heavy, I can't say the F word, but who really bangs with me heavy, like, they know who they is, man. If somebody else had one, I would have felt the same way too, so they ain't got nothing with him or nothing like that. There's no favoritism over here, nothing like that. I did everything fair. I asked everybody to leave a comment if you want to win, and I drew one out the joint. So the next giveaway is the timing and got off. So I wanted to do it at the top of the month, like I said, but I had drew the name at a later date. Whatever. Giveaway still popping. We'll just, when I start the giveaway, I'll leave a big window. Enough time for everybody to enter. And then I'll let you know when the giveaway is over with. I will leave more details in the next video. I just gotta come off stuff off the top. But if you want in on this giveaway, let me know. The next giveaway, leave a comment in this video. This video. If I'm telling you which video, the one you're watching, leave it in the video. Let me know you want in. It will be titled as a surprise giveaway. When I say, actually, it's more so a mystery giveaway. Like, I'm gonna leave hints and clues within some videos that I post. If I could post like 5 videos or post 10 videos after this video, I'm just speaking hypothetically or whatever. I'll leave hints and clues within those other videos, and that means that you gotta watch my videos, of course. And certain stuff that I say or whatever, keywords to look for or whatever, we'll figure it out. I'm gonna come up with that, and I'm gonna leave more details on that. But it will be a mystery giveaway. I will be picking out something. It's gonna be something good. It's gonna be pricey. It's not gonna be cheap. You never know. I might give away a power probe. I might give away a smoke machine. I might give away a nice ass air gun or something like that. Not a cheap joint, a nice joint. You never know. I might buy something that's gonna step up your arsenal. You never know. I know what I'm gonna do the next giveaway, but I'm not saying it. So we'll talk about details in the next video. Till then, stay tuned. But if you want in on this giveaway, let me know in this video. You want in on a mystery giveaway. You don't know what you up against, but you try. If I just gave away a bi-directional scan tool for free, why would I cheat you out of it? And if I give away, if I'm doing a mystery giveaway, I'm not going to, be cheesy and get you some ThinkCar from off Amazon diagnostic tool. No, I'm not going to do you like that. I'm going to give you something that's going to make you more equipped, just like the mechanic that you've been borrowing those same tools that you needed. You've been borrowing it from him. I will help you get equipped so that way you won't need him. And you have to thank Leek at the end of the day. I'm a cool nigga like that. So that's good. This is it. I want to smoke my smoke, and I don't want to keep on talking because I got to edit this video and all this old extra shit. So I'm Leekautorepair. Y'all stay safe in the corona. Cover up. Wash your hands. Whatever it is you got to do to stay safe, cover yourself up. It don't matter. Just make sure you stay safe out here. Stay clean at all times. Working Hands Automotive, bro. I'm proud of you. Got you a bi-directional scan, so I want to see you use that John too in your channel too. Definitely want to see you. That's not that I just don't like the way that YouTube been changing the rules. I want to curse and talk the way I want to talk. But I gotta like think when I talk and like block certain stuff out or whatever. You know what it is, bro. Enjoy that joint. You definitely gonna get that. Hit me. Shoot me your Addy, and we're gonna figure out all that. Boy, like, come on, bro. Like, I got you. I'm cool like that. I'm hyped for you, bro. Look out for the next video, and we'll figure it out. So I'm getting out of here. I gotta smoke my stuff, and I gotta go in and I gotta edit. So I'll holla at y'all.